And welcome to High Valley Couponers. Today I'm here with a brand new type of video that I'm ecstatic about getting to do. We're going to talk about 6 different meals you can cook for under $6 at Kroger this week. You do not want to miss out on some of these. This is new. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, because I would love to continue to do this, but I don't know if this is something that you all want to hear about from Kroger. I know Kroger's like the heartbeat of this channel. This is why most of you are even around, is Kroger, Kroger, Kroger. So I'm listening, and I'm trying to get more Kroger content. So I thought this would be a really, really cool series to start out. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to talk about 6 meals you can cook for under $6. I do want to provide a disclaimer. I personally acknowledge that not everyone can or is willing to eat this way. I know certain people have certain restrictions. Like, honestly, I'll be upfront with you. I can't eat these meals because of a health condition that I have. And a lot of you may not think these are healthy meals. The main point of this is I'm simply providing cheap meal options for those who are strictly interested in cutting their budget. There are people who have told me I have kept them out of the food pantry. So I want to give them, those kind of people, lots of great meal options for cheap. That's what a lot of you are here for. Exactly, for health consciousness. But if you don't feel like these meals are healthy enough, by all means don't make them, or adapt it to your own level. Swap out ingredients. It might be a little more, but you still can get some good meal ideas. So you can always swap out ingredients. So keep that in mind. Also, many of the items that I am showing you may already have available in your stockpile, so this would allow you to save even more money. However, if you don't have the items available to you already, you will have to buy them. So that's not included in the price breakdown. All it is included in the price breakdown is if you went in Kroger and bought today, using how much of that would it cost you in the recipe. And I'll show you that. I didn't include like the full cost. I'll show you that when we get to the breakdown. But I'm also not going to include the cost of spices, milk, etc., because most of these already have those pantry staples in our cabinets already. So I didn't include those, but those could be added costs. So keep in mind there are variables either way, but they are roughly around $6 each meal. When I did the planning, what I always look for is let's look for the best meat prices this week, and it's going to vary. This week was ground beef, pork, and sausage. Next week, you better bet it'll be chicken, because that's just what they do. They alternate. So meat is how you're going to plan. You're going to plan your meals around what meat is on sale. You're not just going to walk into Kroger and be like, oh, I'm going to buy this because it's on sale. Other times shrimp and other fish will be on sale, but this was the meat selections that was on sale, so that is what I planned each of these meals around. Meal 1 is going to be beef tacos, and each of these meals will actually serve 4 people, is what it is set to serve. For ingredients, we are going to use a 1 pound of ground beef. I put tortillas. I originally put 2 per person, but there's actually a total of 10 tortillas you can use here. Mexican style cheese, or you can use any kind of cheese your heart desires. You're going to use 1/4 cup per person. You're going to use some taco seasoning and some salsa. Now you could, of course, adapt and add lettuce, sour cream, hot sauce, anything. I didn't add it in because this was going to be over $6 if I did, but if you have those ingredients, by all means, go for it and add those in. Here is our price breakdown. You're going to get, okay, so the Kroger ground beef. It's $2.49 a pound. Now, yes, you have to buy the 5-pound package. And I will show you at the end in the master breakdown how all this ties together. But for this particular meal, it's only going to cost you $2.49. You're going to grab one of the PSST or flour tortillas for 99 cents. You're going to grab a Kroger taco seasoning for 39 cents. You're going to grab a Kraft cheese, which is on the mega event for $1.99. These packages are 2 cups. So since there's 4 of you, average, you're going to use 1 cup. That breaks down to 99 cents if you use 1 cup of cheese. Now, salsa is $1.29, and there's a 25-cent any item Ibotta rebate. So it makes your net cost for this, it makes the net cost for that $1.04. So the total cost for this meal is $5.90 for the tacos. I hope that makes sense. And like I said, I'm not ignoring the costs of having to buy 5 pounds of meat. I'll reflect that all in the end. The cost for the beef tacos, each person gets 2 beef tacos, is $5.90. So meal number 2, and For this recipe and a lot of the other ones, I will have links in the description box below with recipes. So yeah, I'm going to have recipes linked down there below so you can actually see how to cook these things. I didn't do one for tacos because that's pretty self-explanatory. But the rest of these, except for the spaghetti, I do have recipes posted, which is awesome. So we're going to do breakfast casserole with potatoes. For this one, it requires bread. You are going to pick up one of the good-to-dough loaves of bread that's 85 cents. It comes with 10 pieces of bread. So do 85 cents divided by 10. That averages out to 9 cents per piece. You need 2 pieces for the recipe, which makes it 18 cents. You're also going to throw in a thing of Kroger breakfast sausage that is going to be on the weekend sale for $1.49. It's 12 ounces. You're going to be needing 8 ounces of the recipe, so it makes it 99 cents as an average cost. The cheese, I'd use the same one that you're using for the tacos, just to use what you're buying. So that averages that you're going to use half a cup in this recipe, so 49 cents. You're going to need 3 eggs, or 88 cents a dozen. Divide that by 12 eggs. Makes it 22 cents per egg, 22 cents for 3 eggs. And you're also going to want to grab one of the Simply potatoes. You're going to need 2 of them in total. You'll use the other one for a different recipe. It's $1.49. There's a $1 off 2 coupon from the 1111 Smart Source, so it's going to make these 99 cents. So very, very low here. Your total cost is $2.87 with these ingredients plus your milk and spices, because you're going to need milk, ground mustard, pepper, and salt. That's all in the recipe, but I'm sure most of you have those things. It's a very cheap meal there. Next meal is going to be brown sugar glazed pork loin with potatoes and a vegetable. These are just going to be some frozen veggies, but you could go even cheaper if you want and grab a can of vegetables or use what you already have on hand. So you're going to grab 2 pounds of the pork loin. It's $1.29 a pound. It makes it $2.58. You're going to grab a Kroger brown sugar. I hope you already have this. If you don't, though, here's how this breaks down. $1.49 for a 32-ounce package, which is 4 cups. You're only going to use a third of a cup for this recipe, so it's really only like 12 cents as a net cost, which is crazy, but that's all it is. So if you don't already have brown sugar, you'll have to grab it. Kroger Dijon mustard is $1. You're going to use 2 ounces for this recipe, so it's $1 for 10 ounces, so that breaks down to 20 cents. You're also going to grab another Simply potato. That's already 99 cents with that coupon. Then a Bird's Eye Steam Fresh for $1.99 in the Mega. It makes it $5.88 for this meal, which for potatoes, pork, and vegetables for 4 people, that's a phenomenal price for a dinner. Here is one of the Midwest staples that I've had my whole life. We're going to have chili with some biscuits. I think I spelled biscuits wrong. You're going to have to forgive me. I'm tired. It's late. I'm pretty sure I spelled biscuits wrong. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. Sorry. Whatever. Chili and biscuits. You could substitute this totally. I've always done that with tortilla chips and stuff. You can totally substitute it if you want to. But per the $6 budget, we got 4 tortilla chips. So we have to make do with what we had. Recipe, you need 1 pound of the Kroger ground beef, which you're going to buy, $2.49. 1 of the onions at 45 cents. A can of dark red kidney beans at 59 cents. 1 thing of Kroger diced tomatoes at 50 cents. You're going to grab this sour cream. That's 99 cents. It has 8 servings, so since you're halving that, the serves 4. It's going to be 49 cents. You're going to also use half a cup of that Kraft cheese. So that's 49 cents. As well as just some biscuits, the PSSST biscuits for 50 cents. So total cost of $5.51. You're also going to need a lot of spices: chili powder, cumin, salt, red pepper sauce, garlic powder, and oregano. I'll have the recipe in the description. The $5.51 for some chili. Meal number 5 is spaghetti and meatballs with garlic bread. Private selection spaghetti is 99 cents on the mega sale. There is a 45-cent digital coupon, making it 56 cents. These Armour meatballs are $2. I do want to mention you could use your ground beef since you are buying that anyways. I thought some of you might want to change. Or if you really want to get cool, you can make your own meatballs with the extra ground beef. But I just threw this in as an option. Get some Classico sauce, it's 99 cents, and some Texas toast for $1.69, making your cost $5.24 for this. Like I said, if you want to do your own meatballs, I'd recommend maybe throwing in a salad or something. I'm definitely for vegetables. Just if you are on a strict budget, it's kind of hard to make it happen. So here is a good idea for a meal on the cheap. And then finally, meal number 6 is a sausage skillet with vegetables, which I've had this before and it's really good. This one, you need 1 Eckrich smoked sausage is on the mega sale for $1.49. You need a green pepper for 50 cents. You're going to also grab a thing of onions for 45 cents. 1 thing of broccoli, frozen broccoli for $1. 1 thing of Kroger tomato sauce for 34 cents. A whole box of the Kroger white rice for $1.69. 2 cups of rice, which I'm not sure if that's a whole box or not. Anyways, I'm sorry. You need 2 cups of white rice. Look into that one because you might not need the whole thing there. I might be wrong. And also, you need to use a half a cup of cheese to buy another bag of cheese, and that's going to work out to 49 cents for that. As for the rice, might be a little bit less. I don't remember. You need 2 cups. I don't know what I was thinking. You need 2 cups of rice. You're not going to need the whole box. So it'll work out to be a little bit cheaper, but I just included it in there anyway. So it's $5.96, and you also need minced garlic. So here's a master list breakdown of everything you're going to buy. The ground beef is $12.45. The pork is $2.58. The tortillas are 99 cents. The taco seasoning is 39 cents. The 2 bags of cheese are $1.99 each. The salsa is $1.29. The good-to-dough bread is 85 cents. The Kroger sausage is $1.49. The Kroger eggs are 88 cents. Simply potatoes are $1.98. The Kroger brown sugar is $1.49. The Kroger Dijon mustard is $1. The bird's eye vegetables are $1.99. The onions are 90 cents. The kidney beans are 59 cents. The tomatoes are 50 cents. Sour cream is 99. The biscuits are 50. The pasta is 54 cents. Pasta sauce is 99 cents. Texas toast is 169. The meatballs are $2. The smoked sausage is $1.49. The green peppers are 50 cents. The broccoli is $1. The tomato sauce is 34, and the white rice is 169. So total out of pocket for 6 meals, but lots of leftover ingredients. So keep that in mind. You're not going to have to buy these things again for a long, long time. And hopefully you already have a lot of them. It comes to $45.08. There's that 25-cent any item Ibotta rebate, making it $44.83. I know that's not $6, it's $7.50. However, tons of leftover ingredients you might already have. I bet a lot of you already have brown sugar and mustard and rice and a lot of those things. You wouldn't have to buy them. So that's the main thing I want to preface there. So yeah, this is this new series. I want to know y'all's feedback. What do you think? Do you like this? Would you prefer me not to do it? Any suggestions on how to make it better? Let me know. I really enjoyed this, and let me know what you think. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.